Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up the Anycubic i3 Mega with Cura. So it's actually quite a simple process, so all you need to do is click the little drop down here, click add printer, and all you need to do is search for it, or you can just quickly go down to A and you can see it there, Anycubic i3 Mega. So you'll just click that and then click add, and you can name it whatever you like. So once it's added, it will automatically do everything for you, so you can see machine settings. So this is all of the printer settings and all the extruder settings. You can see all the start G code. So it'll do this automatically for you. So all you need to do is just click the drop down and click the printer, click add, and then that's done. And then all you need to do is just drag in your STL file and slice it, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. Bye.